Impulse buys really are the two-face of spending. Alright, now that you completed step 1 and your accounts are organized, it's time for step 2. Classify your income and expenses. We need to know how much money is coming in and how much money is going out. Not what you think is happening. Facts only. Alright, this is not a budget. Budgets are about rules that you fail to follow. This is about reality. I'm not asking you to go on a diet, but we do have to know how much you spend on a monthly basis. Maybe asking why. Well, retirement is about paying your monthly expenses when you aren't working. If you just guess and you're wrong, there's a good chance you won't have enough money for retirement. So, I need you to list your income streams. Paychecks, dividends, interest, rent, etc. If you have income streams that are inconsistent, separate them out. Next, we're going to tap on expenses. Again, this looks like budgeting, but it's less about failing at resolutions and more about just tracking what you actually did last week. Now, you can be as detailed or as simple as you want to be. You can even label specific companies that happen to tempt you more than others. But please, track those impulse buys. They are the two-face of spending. Okay, I've thrown up a list of categories for you. This is not an exhaustive list, but it really should help. Alright, what are you waiting for? Get your boring on and go crunch those numbers. What? You don't want to do this yourself? Well, I guess you could have the nerd that runs this channel do it for you. He does offer that as a perk over on Patreon. It's called something lame, like, I don't know, personal bookkeeping or something. I don't know. I call it the bad budget. But whatever. That wraps up the first part of step 2. Come back when you've done your homework. Alright, see you on the flip side. Batman out.
Alright, this is where you say, thanks for watching.
What? They should be thanking me. I'm out of here.
Don't you worry about it, my nerd guy. I got this. Hey, thanks for watching. We hope that you like, subscribe, and check us out over on Patreon. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends. They might just enjoy it too. Alright, thanks so much. Bye.